Want to sound more natural in English? Phrasal verbs are the key. Let's learn 50 phrasal verbs through an interesting story, along with their meanings, to make them easy to remember and use in daily conversations. Listen, repeat, and start using them in your daily conversations. Let's get started. Emma is determined to have a productive day. She wakes up early for a fresh start and gets out of bed feeling energized. After stretching, she puts on her workout clothes and heads out for a morning jog. While running, she listens to an audiobook and picks up some new vocabulary. After her jog, she cools down with some light stretches and takes off her running shoes. Back home, Emma whips up a healthy breakfast and goes over her to-do list. She needs to figure out how to manage her work schedule. She also needs to call up her best friend, Sarah, to plan their weekend trip. At work, Emma logs into her computer and catches up on emails. Her boss asks her to look into a client issue, so she jots down some notes and sets up a meeting. Later in the day, Emma runs into an old colleague at a cafe. They talk over their experiences at work and bring up ideas for future projects. Emma enjoys these conversations as she always picks up something useful. After lunch, she gets back to work, goes through some reports, and writes down key points for her presentation. Unfortunately, she comes across a problem in the data. She tries to sort out the issue and finally figures out a solution. Feeling satisfied, she logs out of work and heads home. She drops by the supermarket to stock up on groceries. Back home, she puts away the shopping bags and cleans up the kitchen. In the evening, she catches up on her favorite TV show and chills out for a while. Before bed, she looks up some new words and writes them down in her journal. As the day ends, Emma turns off the lights, lies down, and drifts off to sleep, ready to wake up early and start fresh again tomorrow. Phrasal verbs used in the story. Wake up, stop sleeping. Get out of, leave, bed. Put on, wear something. Head out, leave a place. Pick up, learn something new. Cool down, relax after exercise. Take off, remove, shoes, clothes. Whip up, prepare quickly. Go over, review something. Figure out, find a solution. Call up, phone someone. Log in, access a computer system. Catch up, do something you missed. Look into, investigate something. Jot down, write something quickly. Set up, arrange or organize. Run into, meet unexpectedly. Talk over, discuss something. Bring up, mention something. Get back to, return to a task. Go through, examine carefully. Write down, record something on paper. Come across, find by chance. Sort out, solve a problem. Log out, exit a computer system. Head home, go home. Drop by, visit quickly. Stock up on, buy in large quantities. Put away, store something properly. Clean up, tidy a place. Catch up on, do something missed earlier. Chill out, relax. Look up, search for information. Write down, note something on paper. Turn off, switch off something. Lie down, rest on a surface. Drift off, fall asleep. Hang out, spend time casually. Run out of, have no more of something. Bring back, return something. Put off, postpone something. Turn up, appear or arrive. Pass out, lose consciousness. Keep up, continue at the same pace. Take up, start a new activity. Give up, stop doing something. Work out, exercise or solve a problem. Hold on, wait for a short time. Stand up, rise to your feet. Come up with, think of an idea. Use 3 phrasal verbs from this list in your own sentence and comment below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to speak English fluently. See you in the next video.